Hi, my name is Alex, and I killed him, so now I'm him.
Psych! 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's a fisherman. Wait, buy the fiery rod. Buy the fiery rod.
I did.
Yo, you guys, the new fishing update.
God.
I can't get anything.
Bananita dolfinita.
How do you get stuff? Guys,
This
how?
has to be the best. This has to be the best update, bro.
Oh, you have to like click.
Trippi troppi.
I got a troppi. Get fish up to 25. Hey, let's see, guys. Let's see who gets the best of me or Alex.
Let's see, bro.
I'm clicking so much.
Graipus medusa.
What the? How did you get this?
Yeah. Oh.
Added a new Brainrot trade. What is in the Brainrot trader, guys? This is the new Brainrot trader. No, my candy for La Grande. Money one Puggy Chicle with the Los Nomas for Los Puggies. Yo, this is insane. Guys. Get true, must do. 2 true series for Los Spaghetti.
Extinct tralalero.
Yo, hope you guys enjoy this for now. We can until we actually add trading. Admin abuse time.
This isn't.
Come on, 8 times luck, bro.
Lucky block.
Come on.
Lucky Extinct tralalero.
Yo,
Los lucky blocks.
tell me that isn't the best looking thing ever.
Lucky block.
Holy
Lucky block. Lucky
bro.
block.
Chat, go back to the fishing spot. Yo, I was gonna talita tala. Bro, guys, let me know if you guys get anything good from the fishing update, bro. This is actually such a good update. I got my auto clicker on it right now because I'm too lazy to click. I'm sorry.
Tralalelo tralala. Botito auratito.
Chat, yo, you guys are gonna see a crash out incoming.
Giraffa celeste.
I'm gonna have 5. Let's go. We worked very hard on this update. We could tell, Sammy. Oh my gosh, bro. This is unlucky. Bro, this is unlucky. Bro, unlucky, chat. We're unlucky. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
You can have it. If you want.
Let's see what we get.
Come on, bro. Get something good. If you get the no me hotspots, if we get 2 of them, we could go. Okay, get something on the trading thing. Alright, it's okay.
I know. Another one. I'm in lucky block.
6, 7. Oh. Okay, wait. We gotta give it luck. Shoot it with a laser gun.
Yep. Here we go.
Oh, hold up. Hit it with the witch broom. Okay, go now.
Okay, lucky block.
Giraffa celeste.
Please.
Oh,
Next one. Cute.
oh my god. Let's start here.
I bet.
Let's go.
There's like tiny jobs in there.
Yeah. It's not bad. It's not bad.
I
I get it.
I open this one.
Data.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
God.
Alright, yo, chat. Thank y'all for watching. This is gonna be the end of the video. W Sammy, W
Yeah,
admin
bro.
abuse, W everything.
No, we
bro.
haven't abused.
Alright,
Yes,
peace
bro. The
out,
update
chat.
is tough.
I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.